I think that what separates us from other companies, especially in this space, but I think the thing that separates us from other companies is the fact that every single person in this organization is truly committed to actually making a difference in this industry. So they believe in what we are doing. They believe in trying to make a difference in a broken system. There's such a great opportunity for us to create cool tech, but also just to actually realize our mission. We've been a part of this organization for a long time. I grew up with this organization. And for me, I think it was really good to have that mantra of being able to revolutionize the industry and create the future. And then to have an opportunity to actually do it and to see it right there in our hands, I think that is what's really important for us.
Yeah, we're not just a software company. We're really a solution provider that was born from industry with the belief that we can make industry better. So we created great tech, but it's more than just technology. There's a lot of companies that get founded to create cool and sophisticated tools that ultimately get bought and acquired by a bigger organization to make money. That's not us. We were really founded to solve industry problems. So the two commercial solutions that we have were founded in partnership, or were created in partnership with companies that build buildings. We try and get as close to our customers as we possibly can, and we believe that in order to create great tech, you have to understand why you're creating a solution. What are the problems that people are trying to fix or solve?
We talk about the results. What do you expect to have at the end of this? How can we measure ourselves to make sure that we develop the right things for you? And then we put a path forward. We make sure that everybody who's impacted has a solution for them. And I think that's a huge difference from us, is that we do that maintaining engagement with these clients to make sure that it's not just that one-time engagement. It's a constant making sure we're solving your problems, making sure we're still relevant, and we always have to be relevant.
So part of partnering with Beck Tech occurs even before you buy the product. And that is us really understanding what business problems are you trying to solve, and then building an implementation plan that involves configuring our product to work with your data, creating your reports in the format that you want out of the product, testing it, training key individuals on how to maintain and update the product and the data, and then rolling out the packaged solution with your data and your reports to your teams. That also needs to fit within your schedule. So we build what we call an implementation plan. It's highly collaborative in the development of that particular plan, and it's a combination of services and technology to deliver you a customized solution to meet your specific business pain.
I think a lot of that shows up too in how that tech is created. I think that's one of the things that differentiates us from other products. Just talking about that tech in general, is that it's not a series of point solutions like you see today. We take a completely different design philosophy when it comes to creating our technology, and the reason why we do that is because we care so much about actually solving the problem. We're not creating technology as a way to entrap our customers, and once you're in with us, you've got to we only work with our other bits and pieces, and it's not the whole purpose of this. The whole purpose is to create a proper solution to solve a real problem, and that should show up in everything that we create. And so our design philosophy is so much that we want to make sure the user has a seamless experience. And so although we do have really integrated technology, although we do make sure that if we can stick it in our application to make a more seamless experience, we will. We also want to make sure that we understand that other companies out there have other products that they have to use, and they have other processes, and it's not every company operates the same way with the same team members doing the same business. So we have to make sure that we solve the problem for them. And we're not here to solve a problem for us. It's not a revenue problem. It's not a, hey, how do we climb mountains of gold problem. It's how do we revolutionize the industry and create the future.